Hi, my name is Eliza Ivanova, and welcome to my first course with Proko. What I wanted to tackle with this course is to talk about style and how to dissect it and how to come up with your style. I get this question a lot. What is style? People would think style is just a shortcut. I don't think that's the answer. To me, the answer is you develop a style just the way you would speak. It's your voice. It's like a visual voice. I think each artist has their own visual language you've adapted or developed throughout the years that are very recognizable, and it becomes a shorthand. I think the shorthand is what I call style. The choices you make, the shapes you repeat, this is all in your artistic vernacular to the point where it becomes almost second nature. You don't really think about the marks that you make, they just emerge. What I hope you take away from this course is not to draw like me, but to try these methods and see if anything resonates with your way of working or improves your way of working that mostly caters to your confidence as an artist, because confidence lets you free your mind to explore and experiment. And this is all this course is about, is explore, experiment. You try new techniques that either speed up your process or make things more fun and more interesting. Pick and choose what you like, and eventually your style will just shine through your work. You don't have to be advanced, you can be pretty much early on in your journey, but I definitely have some tips and tricks here for you that I think will be very useful to try and see if you can incorporate some of these ideas, run with them, and create your own version of what I do. This course is not a course on shortcuts. I don't believe in shortcuts. I believe in hard work, but there's a method to developing your shorthand and your visual language. First, we'll begin with me showing you my tool set that I've trimmed the fat. There's the most essential stuff I always take with me that give me 99% of what I need. After that, I will do a sketchbook tour of a few sketchbooks that I brought that are very different from each other, just to see how my sensibility has evolved throughout the years, but also not. So it's great to revisit old work and see where it's taken me. I would do a lot of demos on how to develop your own style, how to take something that's pretty academic and complex, simplify it to your liking, but still preserve a sense of knowledge that you know what you're doing, even if you're stylizing. If you're interested in the course and finding out more about it, you can find it at proko.com/Eliza.